The idea behind harnessing the wind's energy extends far beyond what we know today. More than 2,000 years ago, civilizations were already using wind-powered machines.
Well, wind power has been used ever since human put sails into wind. Say for more than 2 millennia, wind power machines have been used for grinding grain or pumping water. We all know the landscape with the old windmills used for grinding grain. We see when we are passing through the small villages. So it has been used for many, many years.
The machines of the past eventually led to the development of the wind turbine. This modern equivalent to the windmill is used across the world to generate green power.
Green power can be defined as a collection of renewable energies that do not pollute. It can be wind, it can be solar, biomass or water. And the characteristic for them is they have a profile for no pollution profile, no carbon footprint, so to speak.
As the global wind capacity continues to increase, the budding industry is currently undergoing a period of rapid growth and globalization. To help foster continued development, suppliers to the wind power industry must understand and keep up with key trends and challenges.
Well, some key trends are that today you want the wind turbines to be bigger and bigger, to perform much more power than before. That generates some challenges, both where you are installing them, can be offshore or onshore. And onshore is a challenge because if you place them in the cities, people are not interested in having them in front of their windows because they are noisy and they don't want to look at them. So that is an issue for the wind turbine industry today.
Wind turbines not only require extreme protection against weather and mechanical forces, but also solutions that are long-lived and robust, since no one wants to provide maintenance for an offshore or onshore system twice a week.
The reliability and the lifespan of a wind turbine today is very important because it's an industry now, and you want the wind turbine to perform better and better. You want them to last longer and longer because it's very expensive if you have to stop them to make maintenance on them and put them into to power again. So that's why it's a very big issue, because the longer lifetime they have, the cheaper they also will be.
Today, sealing solutions play a major role in improving wind turbine operations and help to service life both onshore and offshore.
A sealing can be defined as a unit or a material that closes an opening to prevent dust or water or dirt coming in or coming out. And obviously it's very important for a wind turbine to be very tight, so if it's installed offshore, for example, that no salt from the water can come in and destroy the moving parts, for example. So therefore the sealing of a wind turbine is very important today.
Machines are only as good as their parts. Oftentimes, the smallest components have the largest influence on the lifespan and reliability of the entire system. The simple act of keeping something in or out can be vital to keeping wind turbines functioning properly.
DAFA products, they can both seal, absorb and protect a unit. You think about an actual sealing, as we already talked about, to close a gap, preventing dust or dirt coming inside. And obviously, if you don't have that, it will improve the machine's lifetime. If you do not have any vibration on the top of it, because it is protected against the vibration from our products, then you also have a longer lifetime for that generator, for instance, that has the vibration in the wind turbine.
The effort to develop and implement sealing solutions that maximize service life while also minimizing costly downtime can be influenced by a number of outside factors, including environmental conditions and surface characteristics.
For us, our strategy is really to make it worthwhile for the customers, and that means that they should have some benefit, because what we are selling is not just a cheap product at a cheap price, it's a total solution. And the aim is for the customer to have something that actually improves their products in terms of quality, in terms of performance, in terms of course, price competitiveness also. I say the total cost of what we are offering in the package, and thereby actually seeing what we are selling is something that overall gives value to the customer, for them also to bring onto their customers. And that's how we normally approach the situation.
Today, wind turbine sealing suppliers like DAFA continue to work to advance technologies, as well as create new designs and systems to prolong the service life of the overall system.
It's important to have factories in a lot of locations First of all, to have a global footprint, because for a lot of companies it's important to be on all major continents, and there we need to be in China, to be in the United States and in Europe. And then the second point is that to create development, create research, there you need to be close to a production unit also, because it's somehow integrated as we provide the customized solutions. So therefore, a global footprint is very important to really offer the right service for the customers. Regarding the industry in general, we anticipate a continuous consolidation, so we think there will be more of that going on. That means fewer units, bigger units, and again a constantly demand for more efficiency. And that's where we provide a solution also. Plus we can provide a full service solution, which some of our competitors are not able to do, in the sense that we cover a wide area of needs in this field here. So I think we are matching pretty well what's going on in the industry.
For more information, visit www.dafa-as.com.